Washing your face with rice-infused water might sound a little odd, but rice is a big beauty ingredient in Korean beauty culture, especially since it brings both brightening and anti-inflammatory benefits to your complexion. Rice is a traditional beauty ingredient that's been passed down through the generations. Very much a part of Korea's beauty legacy, rice water can definitely bring moisturizing and anti-inflammatory benefits to the skin. Rice can also smooth out rough texture and help improve skin firmness. Rice water as a skincare ingredient has not been widely researched, but it is said to help smooth a rough texture, minimize pores, and encourage a brighter complexion. How to make rice water for face. First, put 1 cup of organic white or jasmine rice in a strainer. Rinse it thoroughly to get rid of any dirt or impurities. Transfer the rinsed rice into a large glass bowl. After that, pour 2 cups of fresh water into the bowl of rice. Let the rice soak for 15 to 30 minutes. Stir it until the water turns milky or cloudy. Stirring helps the nutrients and minerals from the rice get absorbed into the water. Then, strain the rice water into a bowl or a beaker. Transfer it to an airtight container. You can store this rice water in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. How to use rice water for face. Using rice water to cleanse your face is as simple as dabbing a bit onto your face and gently massaging it into your skin for a couple of minutes. You can leave it on or wash with cool water. See what feels better for your skin. With regular use, you will notice your skin feeling soft, smooth, and glowing. You can also use rice water as a toner. Use like any other toner. Apply to face after cleansing to minimize the appearance of pores and tighten skin. It's important to remember that it's best to change your water every couple of days. Sometimes rice can contain traces of dirt and pesticides, making it important to approach any DIY recipe with caution. If you are going to use a cleanser, it is best to do so before using the rice water, not after. The rice water will leave skin feeling smooth and act as a toner.